E-Pipe Corporation. Casting products. Made in Korea. Automotive parts. Parking brake parts. Mounting plate molding. Anchor. Transmission parts. Shift fork. Clutch parts. Spline hub. Release lever. Air conditioning. Compressor parts. Swash lug plate. Elevator components. Rail clip. Crane hoist. Top yoke. Bottom yoke. Crane hoist. Female thread. Chain guide. Stripper. Oil pressure parts. Main control valve. Coupler. Coupler. Compressor parts. FC cylinder. Manufacturing process. Molding. Stacking. Pouring. Heading. Heat treatment. Sand mix. Tapping. Melting. Shot blast. Trimming. E-Pipe Corporation.